As EVs surge in popularity, one critical detail is often overlooked: battery storage safety. Whether it's for a weekend trip or months of storage, your EV battery needs the right care to stay healthy and safe. Tip number 1. Keep the state of charge between 40 to 60%. Never store it full or empty. Tip number 2. Avoid extreme temperatures. Store your EV in a dry space between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius. Tip number 3. Turn off fast charging. Heat from rapid charging is bad during idle periods. Tip number 4. Use a trickle charger to protect your 12-volt battery from dying during storage. Tip number 5. If your EV has a storage mode, activate it. It reduces battery drain automatically. Tip number 6. Wash your EV, apply anti-moisture spray, and cover it properly. Moisture kills batteries. Tip number 7. Do a quick monthly check: SOC, tire pressure, corrosion, even rodent activity. Don't store your EV fully charged or frozen, and avoid using non-certified chargers. Take care of your EV battery, and it'll take care of you. Subscribe to EVR Rescue Hub for expert tips, rescue guides, and safety updates. Join our Telegram channel for instant community support. Link in the description. Visit evrescuehub.com for complete guides and EV battery solutions.